Hi, I'm Valerie. In this video series, I'm going over all the oil paintings in my Mother Earth series. It's a series of 12 paintings on canvas. It's a series about our relationship with the earth and about climate change. So in each painting, I paint Mother Earth as a female icon, and I include a lot of symbolism. This is a print on canvas because I sold the original. I sell prints of all my paintings on my website. So in this video, I'm going to go over the symbolism and what this painting, Amma, is about. The painting asks many questions. Is the tree burning with the fire of creation or destruction? Is the death we see part of the natural cycles of nature or an unnatural interruption of life? Is the mother and young hawk flying above witnessing an explosion of life or an explosion of chaos? The animals in the forest take refuge inside Mother Earth. Amma means love in Spanish and Italian, symbolic of the ever-constant motherly love. If you'd like to see more of my nature-inspired art and art courses, you can find them on my website at valeriemilo.com. 5% of all purchases goes to the Nature Conservancy, working to create a world where people and nature can thrive. Subscribe, like, and follow. It allows me to reach more nature-loving people like you. Subscribe to my newsletter to learn more about Pellegrina, my walking art school, where we explore the splendor of nature together through walking and art journaling. Well, thank you for listening to me and hearing about my painting, and I will see you next time.